Hey, welcome to Money Me. I appreciate you guys being here. Today we're going to talk about McDonald's. And this will be the first video that I talk about that we are shorting the stock. What does it mean to short a stock, you may ask? If you're not familiar with shorting, it means you borrow the stock. Basically, in a sense, you sell it at a price to hope to buy back later and make up the difference. So at today's price at $264.39, basically if I sell it at $264.39. I hope, for example, it goes down to $250, buy it back at $250 and pocket the difference. That simple. I just think the stock is overvalued. There's little or no growth in the company. I think there's much better opportunity, and I pulled up Yahoo. Targets on this stock are basically only about another 4 or 5% up here. If you look at a daily chart, I did short it yesterday at 261 and change. Big deal. I'm down 3 points, which is nothing. It's a small position, but it's a position to kind of counterbalance some of the long stocks I got. And if we still, what I think, get a continuation of that in the market, I think we're definitely going to get a Dow stock that's going to pull back, and that's McDonald's. Statistically, the stock is, everybody knows what McDonald's is. Total cash, they're heavily in debt. For about 40 net cash, about $45 billion in debt. Historically, right now, the PE is 33, and in this kind of market, that's, to me, is not a good PE to be paying for a no growth stock. So CNBC, let's pull up and see how did McDonald's do last year. And if you guys are curious, I'm filming off the Weeble desktop app. It's free. If you want to check out in the description below, you can sign up for Weeble and open an account. They give you a free. I don't know what their current promotion is. It's usually about 2 stocks, and if you use my link, I get a free stock. So, McDonald's has a 52-week high and low of 217.68 is the 52-week low, and the 52-week high is 281.67. So we're really not that far off the high. A lot of people like it, because of the stability of it. Again, I'm shorting it because I think, honestly, that it's too, where can it go down? Well, and here's what I want to show you guys too, and I'm using the CNBC over here. So 264.39. This is the 52-week range. So when I look at stocks, I go to Yahoo, I go to CNBC. I watch other people on YouTube, but what I'm trying to do is come up with my own solid ideas and show you my experience. With that being said, I'm not a licensed broker. I do this for entertainment, I guess they say. But I try to research, and I am trying to grow an account, typically 30%. The last 2 years, I've been, the market's been brutal. When I went short, I should have went long. When I was long, I should have went short. So the complete opposite, and got into options a little bit too much. The value of them were just basically, if they didn't move in a certain amount of time, they were expiring, worthless, and stuff like that. So I'm really trying to do a conservative account. I did do a video a couple days ago with the top. I picked 5 stocks for 2023, and already they're doing good, and I'll talk about more of them on a separate video. If you look at a 5-year here, back even, wow, well, that's when things were shut down really bad. But I don't know if some McDonald's maybe were closed down by 150, but McDonald's has been a good stock the last 2015. Here you got 2015, so last 8 years you pretty much more than doubled your money. So it's been, but I'm looking to capture more of this down. Let's type in, and I'm going to take this off the screen here, historical PE for McDonald's stock. Yeah, McDonald's PE ratio. And PE means price times earnings, in case you don't know. Yeah, we're up there right now. I mean, here you got a PE ratio. Here, let me close these crazy. Stop seeing this ad. Not interested in this ad. Close the box here. I'm trying to show you guys the charts. Hold on, guys. Okay. So yeah, you got basically a 20 up here at a max of in the beginning of the year was 40, and again we're still high at 33 times earnings, and this is what I want to show you guys. So at $7 roughly a share. So $7 times 33, it puts it even at 231. So where they're coming, so even at it's $7. Let me make sure. Let me just double check what. Let me make sure, because the latest one I said was 793. 793. Oh well, yeah. If it's 793, that's closer to $8. So let's just see where. I want to make sure I'm giving good information, folks. And look, you don't find answers in 5 minutes. Sometimes, yeah, 793. So it's closer to $8. So and the PE is 33. Yeah, so 264. Yeah, that's right. So, but historically, even at a 22 PE times $8, you're talking 176. You're talking $90. Where I'm looking for the stock to go back down, honestly, is down in the 230, 235 area. So at 235 divided by 235 divided by $8 is so 235. So 8, we would get a $8 times even a 25 PE. 25 times 8, 200. Yeah, I mean even McDonald's has there's a lot of potential for it to drop down. So that would be the first video I make this year of shorting a stock. I actually don't remember the last time I made a video, but I am short McDonald's. Everybody knows McDonald's. They're having labor issues, food cost issues. So there's a lot of things to be. The analyst basically, they have 50% have it ranked the buy, the low 250, the average 289. Somebody has it ranked 328. And I want to show you this stuff because, again, this is just my opinion. Profile, we know what McDonald's is. You know, they're having issues with closing stores overseas because of the Russian. So there's definitely an issue going on there. Their last quarter earnings, yeah, and even I'm reading another article here. They feel that McDonald's is probably overvalued by 20%. And quick math at 20%, that's a $50 drop right there. So that, I mean, that's a 20%. I think, and realistically, that's definitely no, you know, yeah, we could have 5 to 8% upside, but I definitely think we definitely have 15 to 20% downside. So that's it. That's the stock that we're shorting, and we did short. We shorted. We added to the short position today. Let me double check what we shorted it at today. We did take another short position, which I will make a video on in the next day or two. Positions, yes, McDonald's orders. Yeah, we sold short today at 260. We sold short at 265.36 today. A couple shares. And then when was it? Yesterday. Yesterday we sold short at 261.05. So basically, we're sold short on an average of around 263, which is no big deal, and that will counterbalance some of the long positions. So right now in this one account, and that I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 long positions, 2 short positions. That's just in one account. Other accounts that I manage, they are all long positions because they are 401ks or IRAs and stuff like that. So, guys, I would appreciate the support. It's free to watch or listen. Give me a thumbs up and comment below. Do you short stocks at all? And shorts can be very dangerous. Trust me, I know. If you look back at 2 years ago when I did Roku, and Roku turned out to be right, but a year off. Shorted Roku at 290, covered it for close to 380, took a $10,000 loss, and here we are at $42. So that is an ugly chart right there. I would have loved to have been riding that down, but I was too early. Honestly, I was too early. I was in the 2020, and look at even here, it collapsed and came back up, and boom. I mean, which was crazy. There were people, analysts out there saying it was going to be $600. Where are they at now? So, all right, guys, thank you, and we'll see you again.